Brenham traffic, calling 4434 Kilo, turning left, extended base, 34, number 3.
Cessna 214 Yankee, number 2 for runway 34 will be a full stop. I'll try to land long depending on the traffic in front of me. Brenham.
I'm going to start off at the first intersection here.
Clear traffic, Skyline 81 X-rays departing after runway Charlie.
Brenham traffic, calling 4434 Kilo, turning final, 34, number 2.
He's still too high.
Brenham traffic, 81 X-ray clear access.
He'll be okay. Okay.
214 Yankee, Brenham, over midfield, so left downwind 34.
Okay, he just...
Meter 3030.
Brenham traffic, calling 4434 Kilo, 1 mile final, 34.
Report. Automated weather observation. 19008 Zulu. Weather. Wind 340 at 4.
Yeah.
And 2141 Yankee is departing or exiting the active runway, Brenham.
Well, then do it and get the hell out of the way.
Lima Papa, are you exiting?
Yeah, we're all.
Thanks, sir.
You're not gonna make it.
81 X-rays exiting too, sir.
Okay.